Okay, we have got one big bad engine there. This is a 1940 Ford 5-window coupe. It's an awesome street rod. It had a recent restoration, all steel body, 2-stage Ford black paint, all chrome in excellent condition, black cloth interior, bucket seat, odometer gauges, sport comp tack, and a JVC CD auto system. The engine's got a Dart little M383 cast iron small block, Iron Eagle Dart cast iron heads, performance cam, Edelbrock Victor Ram intake, dual 600 Holley carburetor, heavy duty radiator with electric fan, ceramic coated headers, new exhaust system, GM 350 turbo dramatic transmission, and a BM Ford Moser 9-inch posi-traction rear end with 325-1 gears, manual steering, manual disc brake, drum brakes. No air and manual steering. Now this is one raw dog. That's the reason why I don't have all that extra stuff to it. The rims are Weld Racing Magnum Drag 2.0, double bead lock, rear single bead lock front. This car is one fast runner. You will not be disappointed. If you have any questions, it says DM him. So anyway, this is a beautiful car. Like it, check it out. I'm going to put the link to it up right now. Get your cell phones out. Here goes the link. Scan it. And please like and subscribe, and we're going to go to the next car.